today is Thursday, April 7, 2022, and I'm so excited to have this close up mo. So, we just received this from Ninja Van, the delivery boy. And then, we are unboxing my favorite. This is the forged aluminum. Pagbalik ko ng camera. Software series. So, it is a 7 pieces cookware set from the famous chef. Ang brand yun? I forgot the brand. Wait. Okay. Actually, last year pa to. Last year ko pa plano to. Ngayon, naka-sale siya. For sale. So, I am now excited. This is my magmali ko itong camera, birthday gift for myself. Okay. The Chef Classic. The Chef Classics 25 limited edition 7-piece set. So, ayan siya. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 items. Can you hold this? Let's open. Okay. There you go. So, first one, pang sinigang. Okay. So, kompleto ang tornilyo. Nasaan tornilyo nito? Ayan, may tornilyo siya. Nakakabit na pala. So, ayan, nag-fit na. Ayan. So, one piece. Another one. Second piece. Tingnan mo nga kung may gas-gas. There's no. Wow. So nice. Dito anang Maggi. No, for the soup. Nice. Okay. And then, let's remove the plastic para makita yung kung may gas-gas o may scratches. Look at the handle. Close up mo dito. The handle. Ang kapal ng pagka-silver niya. Meron pa siyang label. There. Chef's Classic. So we have another one. Yan. Maganda yan. This is the third one. Okay. Yung layo mo naman masyado. So, there we have one items for sinigang. This is good for sinigang. Maganda siya. Walang gas-gas. Chef's Classics. Ang kapal din ng ano niya, ng handle. So, sulit na sulit ka na dito. Yan, may label pa siya. So, good na to. Angat mo, anak, angat mo. Yan, this is good. Right. Ito naman maliit. Second item. We also have a Chef Classics. It's the brand, of course. Ang cute ng handle. Siguro pagka hindi ito umiinit pag hinawakan mo siya. And then the third one. Okay. Just enough for mga hating kilong bubble kasha dyan. Ang cute ng handle. Tigas. Yan. And this is the best gift for myself. And the most used is this one. For frying anything. Can you remove? Yan. Pag nainis ako kay Alex, pwedeng pampokpok. Ayan. Very good. Ganda. Very nice. So, 25th Chef Classics Aluminum. Alright. Ang ganda. Non-scratch. Bagay na bagay yung aking sandok dito. Ayan. And that's all. Everything is good. Okay. Ang cute. I love it. Yan. Those 4. Okay na yan. 4 na yan. So, kasya dito 2 kilong sinigang. Pero ito ang mas magagamit ko dito. Pang prito-prito. Pang sangag. Yan. And that's it. Thank you. Bye. For the first time to use, we need to boil it for the first time so that maalis yung mga residue. Since this will be the first time to use this one. Okay. Okay, it's now okay. Napakuluan na natin siya. We're going to use this one for the first time. Okay. Let's try. Go. Can you hold the camera? Center mo lang. Oh, non-stick talaga. Just a little bit of oil. Okay. And then ito na. Ano ba naman? Okay. Wow, ang cute. Non-stick. It's okay. Very good. I gave you 5 star. So, okay. Ang cute ng handle niya. Very nice. At hindi siya umiinit. Yung maganda. Yung handle, hindi siya, kahit mainit yung pot, hindi umiinit yung handle. It's good. Okay. It's now cooked. The egg is okay now. Done.